drop, tiptoe down, fingers on palm in a walking motion, wetting all the thirsty ground. Pitter-pat on a leaf so green, cut faster, softest sound you've ever seen. Whisper, shh, and sway. Here comes a cloud all puffy and gray. It nods to the sun and says, out of my way. Then opens its belly, oh my, what a sight. 1,000 small dancers and droplets of light. They land on a rooftop, plink, 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 then slide down a raindrop-sized water slide. Sing, they tickle a flower and make it giggle, then bounce on a puddle, kerplip, kerplipple. One little raindrop named Drizzle McDew said, I'll land on a boot, red, shiny, and new. Splish went the boot, one big tap, splash went the shoe. Boogie with me, there's nothing you'll rue. So the boot did a stomp and the puddle went wobble. The grass did a shimmy, the mud started to gobble. Up came a worm with a squiggly smile. Raindrop Boogie's been here a while. If you feel a storm inside your heart, or your happy day gets pulled apart, be like the rain, gentle, small, and true, and the sun will come dancing right back to you. Jump back in, faster, this time with stomps on down. Drip, drop, tiptoe down, came the dum, batting all the thirsty ground. Pitter-pat on a leaf so green.